At 3:30 p.m., I usually take a quick break to stretch and grab a snack. I try to avoid long stretches of sitting because I know it affects my energy levels. I'll have a handful of almonds or some fruit to keep my blood sugar steady until dinner. By 5 p.m., I'm starting to wind down for the day. I finish up any last-minute tasks and start reviewing my to-do list for the next day. I don't like to leave work unfinished, but I've learned that it's just as important to set boundaries and not overwork myself. At this point, I'll close my laptop and make sure everything is wrapped up before I officially sign off. After work, I like to get outside for some fresh air. Sometimes I'll go for a walk around the neighborhood. Other times I'll meet up with friends at a local cafe or park. It's a great way to clear my head and relax after a long day of work. By 7 p.m., I'm back home and ready to prepare dinner. I enjoy cooking, so this is a part of my day I look forward to. Tonight, I'm making a vegetable stir-fry with tofu, broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots. I pair it with some brown rice for a filling, healthy meal. Cooking helps me unwind and disconnect from work. I find it therapeutic to chop vegetables, saute, and experiment with different flavors. While I cook, I often listen to music or a podcast to keep the vibe relaxed. I sit down to enjoy my meal around 7:30 p.m. It's a peaceful time where I can reflect on the day and enjoy the food I've prepared. After dinner, I like to relax on the couch for a bit, either by watching a show or reading a book. I'm currently reading a book about personal finance, which is something I'm really passionate about. It's always good to learn new things that help me grow, whether they're related to my career, finances, or personal development. Around 9:30 p.m., I start winding down for bed. I take a warm shower to relax, change into my pajamas, and set up my space for a restful night. I try to stay away from screens for at least 30 minutes before bed to help my brain slow down. I usually spend that time journaling or reflecting on my day. Writing in my journal helps me process my thoughts and gives me a sense of closure for the day. By 10:30 p.m., I'm ready for bed. I make sure to get a good night's sleep because I know how important rest is for my physical and mental well-being. A full night of sleep helps me feel refreshed and ready to take on another busy day. Having a structured routine has been a game changer. It helps me stay focused on my goals and manage my time effectively. I'm always tweaking my schedule to make sure it works for me, but overall, this routine keeps me balanced and energized. Whether it's for work, fitness, or personal growth, I've learned that consistency is key. It's not always easy, but I've found that when I make the effort to stick to my routine, I feel more productive, more centered, and more in control of my life. That's a day in the life of a 23-year-old trying to make the most of every moment. I'm always looking for new ways to improve my routine and stay balanced. How do you structure your day?